Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make digital life easier one tutorial at a time. Today, we're diving into a common PDF headache: how to get rid of those pesky grid lines in your documents for 2025. Whether you're dealing with scanned images, exported files, or just unwanted lines messing up your professional look, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First off, why bother removing grid lines? They can make your PDFs look cluttered, especially if you're sharing reports, presentations, or artwork. Plus, in 2025, with AI-enhanced tools, it's easier than ever to clean things up. Let's jump right into the steps. Method 1. Using Adobe Acrobat, which is a go-to for PDF editing. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Head to the Edit PDF tool in the right-hand panel. Select the grid lines using the selection tool. You might need to zoom in for precision. Once selected, hit Delete or use the eraser tool to remove them. Don't forget to save your file as a new PDF to keep the original intact. If you don't have Acrobat, try a free online tool like Small PDF or I Love PDF. Upload your PDF to the website, look for the Edit or Remove Elements feature, and select the grid lines to erase them. This method is super convenient and works on any device. For Mac users, open your PDF in Preview. Go to the Markup toolbar, select the Instant Alpha tool, and click on the grid lines to remove them. It's that straightforward. One tip: always make a copy of your original file before editing, just in case. And if grid lines are from a scanned document, you might need to use OCR tools to clean it up further. There you have it, gridline-free PDFs in a flash. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.